A year of emergency flash flood planning got its first test this week in Veta. Threatening rain enacted parts of a multi-layered plan. It's been a priority project since the Spring Creek fire burned tens of thousands of acres above the town last summer. All the trees and vegetation that burned once soaked up the rainwater, but now it just runs downhill, threatening the town below. Bill Folsom has more on how they're preparing.
Rain over the Spring Creek burn scar puts Veta town leaders on weather watch. The marshal has mobile ability to trigger new warning system.
We put 4 sirens in town so that we can get instantaneous notification to all our citizens.
There's more. Warnings also happen through phones and media.
We are watching all burn scars, but we are taking a close eye on Veta.
News 5 meteorologist Alex O'Brien was among other weather pros watching and warning about the flood potential. Weather forecasting looks at the skies, but also what's on the ground. The impact of rain on a burn scar gets special attention.
When it comes to burn scars, it'll just take a couple tenths of an inch of rain to cause debris flow. So even just the same radar indication over a burn scar versus not is a big difference.
Veta's warning plan has multiple partners and resources to help warn if floodwater is headed for town.
Have teamed up together to put several gauge warning systems up in the hills. Those are complete, installed now, and are transmitting data.
Combine that with the original early warning system just trained by the National Weather Service.
You know, we're not asking anybody to drive up there and take a look. You know, that's maybe the worst thing that they can do. But there are weather spotters that have homes and are located up in those hills that, you know, are up at high enough elevations that they don't have to worry about flooding.
Most essential is everyone in town knowing what to do when they hear warnings.
We hope that everybody has it in their mind what to do and how to accomplish that so that there's not panic.
Bill Folsom reporting it is a comprehensive plan. People in the area say they are educated about the risk and what to do, but they still worry whether they've done enough to prepare.